Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem, and it says the following data give the repair cost in RM for 30 cars randomly selected from a list of cars that were involved in collisions. So what I did was I took that information and I put that in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to shrink that down and okay, so here are the numbers in order from least to greatest. Then it says construct a frequency distribution. Take RM1 as the lower limit of the first class and RM14 as the width of each class. RM 1400 is the width. So here is my frequency distribution, and this is going to take care of A. It's also going to take care of B and E. So this will take care of A, B, and E. So A, it wanted you to construct a frequency distribution. So I have a width of 1400 for each class. Then B wanted you to compute the relative frequencies in percentages of all classes. So relative frequency percentages, frequency, relative frequency. I also had to take care of the midpoint of each because it wanted me to make a histogram and a polygon for the relative frequency distribution. So I did do that. So here is the data that I used for the histogram. Let me just make this smaller. Almost done. It just takes a little bit, I guess, to make smaller. So from the table, I pulled out some information. So to make the histogram, I used the frequency and the class width. To make the frequency polygon, I pulled out the midpoint and the relative frequency. To make the ogive, I pulled out the midpoint and the cumulative frequency because for I, we had to make an ogive. And sorry about that. So then for the histogram, that is for C. And for the frequency polygon, that is also C. So here it is. And I just have to make these smaller for you. So then I have C and C. And then what are the class boundaries and width of the fourth class? So for D, the class boundaries for the fourth class is 4,200 to 5,599, and the class width is 1,400. And then E, construct cumulative frequency, which is right here. The cumulative relative frequency, which is right here, and the cumulative percent distribution, which is right here. Then it says to construct the ogive. So here is the ogive right here, and then the ogive. So this is F and F. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.